What's up guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another Vlogmas video. Now as you can tell by the title, I'm taking you through a little self-care at home maintenance situation. I'm just showing you everything that I do myself. There's certain things that I go and spend my money on and other things I feel like I don't need to. Now obviously I still have my island twist in, so any other time I would be doing a wash day routine, which I don't need to, but we are going to oil up this scalp because she's a little dry and do a little massage, get the blood flowing. We're trying to promote healthy hair growth, especially with PCOS because your girl hair was thinning out. I'm gonna just wash my hands before I go and start waxing. I am going to learn how to wax my whole body, but for now, I just do my own eyebrows and the upper lip. So I am using hard wax. It's just so much better and you can wax over the same spot over and over. With the soft wax, which is what I used to do, I swear every time I wax it will pull off a little layer of my eyebrows. So hard wax is where to go. Any products that I use in this video will be listed down below by category. So hair, skin, nails, all of that. Then I just go in and clean it up with my tweezers just to get a little bit closer. These are products that came with my waxing kit. It's just, you know, pre-prep and then oil to remove any like excess wax that's still on your face. I had to mentally prepare myself for this upper lip. It just stings a little bit, you know? It just stings. But it's so needed. Okay, I be having my little mustache. I have to wax. Just clean it all on up. And we are done with hair. Moving along to nails. I've been doing my own nails like on my hands for months now, and it's a game changer. It's just so much better because I never like when people do my nails anyway. It just never turns out good. But now I want to try to do my own toes because I used to go get pedicures. So that was the one thing I did. I would get pedicures once a month. But I'm like, look, I can do this myself too. But boy, my back leaning trying to do this. But my toes still came out really, really good. Also, when I was pouring in them bubbles, I poured way too much. So don't be like me because I was like scooping out so many bubbles. But anyways, I am using a file because I use a rubber-based gel on my nails and toes. It's okay to file down a little bit and then you can soak it off. But I only had a little bit left on my toes anyway, so I just filed it down. And then, you know, just the normal steps. Push back and trim the cuticles, shape everything, file it down. And then of course we gotta attack those dry feet. I'm giving y'all free toe shots right now. Like free, I should be charging for this, really. And also don't cut for my toes, okay? I know I got a little corn or two, but if you had to wear cleats for 14 years of your life, 5 hours a day, you would too. And then we move over to my nails. I don't know what the heck I was doing. I broke so many nails this past like month, and yeah, they were just chipping left and right. So I decided to just cut them completely off. I love having my natural nails. Dreadlocks is cute and all, having little extensions, but I am a nude short nails girl. And some of these products I bought at a local nail place near me, but I will still link down exactly which ones I bought, just in case you want to get it from Amazon or another store. And then the nail polish, this rubber-based gel polish, I got from a small business. She's on TikTok. Her rubber-based polish they're so good. And this is like the perfect pinky nude. It's so, so good. Like, I'm almost out of this bottle. I've been using the same polish for like 3 months now. I'm self-taught when it comes to like the nails and toes. Everything that I do, I find on TikTok. Now we're moving over to body. Let's do this little shower routine. I'm just using a body scrub. This is the Dove one. Just get any of that dead skin off. And also I like to exfoliate before I go in and shave. And then my native body wash is my go-to. I love that coconut vanilla. And then I switched over from shaving cream to this shave oil, and it's so good. From, what is it? From Tree Hut, and my legs were so shiny and just smooth. And then we're just gonna moisturize. I was using the La Roche moisturizer just because it's very, very thick and heavy, and I just wanted like a very thick lotion. Now over to face, I am going to double cleanse. Starting with the oil to just get any product that I had on earlier in the day, and then going in with a gentle cleanser. And then we're gonna just do a little clay mask. I'm gonna let that sit for 10 minutes, and then we're gonna come back. I don't know what I was doing. By this time, it's like 2 o'clock in the morning, so I'm like half asleep. And then of course, toner and essence before I go ahead and use my red light therapy. I just have a little bit of acne coming in, and plus I'm trying to lighten up the hyperpigmentation on my face. So I'm just gonna be using my red light therapy a lot more to attack the bacteria and yeah, hopefully help lighten up some spots. So we're gonna go and sit under that, and then come back and finish the skincare. You only, at most before the red light therapy, a toner and an essence. You don't want to put your serums or anything on before you use that. We go in with our a little bit more essence, and then my serums. I've been keeping like my serums and my eye cream in my little mini fridge, and it's like so cold and just so cooling when I put it on. And then of course we finish up with a little lip moisturizer. Take this hair down and then we get ready to go to bed. So thank you so much for tuning in to this little self-care routine. Again, I'll link everything down below. And I will see you guys in the next Vlogmas vlog.